Today we've got a little Ipsy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have got my Ipsy Plus for the month of June. I'm so excited to dive in. I mean, you can't help but see the spoilers now because you got to see your products before you pick your add-ons. So a lot of us know what we're getting, but I kind of just like take a glance and I don't pay too much attention so that when I get it, it's still a little bit of a surprise. So kind of interesting too, I got an email earlier that says your Ipsy Plus is on the way, and I had already gotten this one. I saw the email and I was like, wait, I don't think those are the products that I had in my box. It's not. In fact, I got two emails that say your Ipsy Plus is on the way, and one of them is supposed to arrive tomorrow, but I mean, I got my Ipsy Plus, so I don't know what's going on, if like I mistakenly got an extra one. I thought that maybe the email just went to the wrong person for some reason, but when I looked at the address, it actually said my town, so I'm like, okay, that's weird. We'll see, I guess. So if you don't know, Ipsy Plus is $25 a month and you get 5 full-size items as well as a bag. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. I'm excited to see what I got. Also, if you are new to my channel, please make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell and help me out a little bit. It means the world to me when you guys subscribe and comment and like my videos and turn on the bell. Everything you guys do means so much. So if you can, please take a moment to check off that little list. That would mean so much to me, and I appreciate you guys up front. Alright, also last month I did do a video using all my Ipsy products in one video and using all my BoxyCharm products in one video. So I will do that again this month. I enjoyed it that way because it honestly gave me almost like an entire full face of things to use, and like skincare, makeup, the whole deal. Sometimes we'll even get like hair products. So it keeps it really interesting versus doing like a try on with each video. I like it that way personally, so that's how we're gonna do it. If you guys prefer to see it a different way, let me know. So let's get into it. The little bag is super cute. It's got like these little beaching ladies. They're laying out, and even like colorful hair. Got blue, got some really bright red, and it's really cute. I have to say the color is different, and I wouldn't normally pick a style like this for myself, but really seeing it, it's absolutely adorable. The little zip pull is yellow. This is very like summery. It's screaming, take me to the beach, but I don't know about the Rona and all that, so we'll see. We'll see if we're gonna take a beach trip. The first product is by Pacific, like Pacific but with an N. It's the Fresh Herb Origin Eye Cream with Calendula. From nature, only essential ingredients with you. What? Oh, this is a Korean skincare brand. Okay. This is giant. This is eye cream? How big is this? Oh, it has a little spot for you to write the date that you opened it on it. That's cool. So this is a full ounce of eye cream. Doesn't this look giant for an eye cream, or am I just tripping? Like some eye creams come in a 1 ounce, but a lot of eye creams also come in a 1/2 ounce. So I'm gonna dab a little bit on my hand. It's on my hand. Oh, it feels nice. It's more like a gel consistency. I was expecting it to be a little creamier. It's kind of like a gel cream, honestly. Ooh, that smells good. It smells like lemony, but also like a little bit like Fruit Loops. That smells good. That feels really nice. It's like, it's not completely a gel, but it's not thick and heavy and creamy either. It's somewhere in the middle, but it feels so nice on my hand. You can tell the skin, even from a distance, like look how luminous and healthy. And then you just got like dry, been washed 42 times today hand. Yeah. All right, let's see what we got next. We got something from Bliss. This is the Oh My Gommage, which gommage just basically means like a scrub. So I'm guessing this is an exfoliating stick. I actually just posted a video on Instagram today where I had used some of the Bliss That's Incredipil little face pads, and they're really nice. Alright, it says it's a milky cleansing stick, resurfaces and refines as soft plant-based fibers capture and roll away dead cells for a healthy glow and ultra smoothing complexion. So you just massage over dry or damp skin. Interesting. So I guess if you can use it over dry skin, it must be kind of gentle. I would imagine the more water you add, it will probably be a little bit gentler. Oh, the grit in it is so fine. It actually feels really nice. It's just got this tiny little bit of texture to it, but it looks smooth in the stick. It smells kind of like a fresh cleanser. So it does say that this is a cleansing stick, but it resurfaces. So I'm guessing this is like an exfoliating cleanser type of deal, just in a little stick form. I'm definitely excited for that, especially after I used the Bliss peel pads and I enjoyed those. I'm like a little bit more keen to try some Bliss products. We also got something from Tula. This is the Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen UVA and UVB Protection. This packaging is so pretty. Little holographic letters. Oh, and it's like this on the tube. So it says probiotics and superfoods. It says it has probiotics to hydrate and prevent water loss while strengthening the moisture barrier. I totally just like mixed up those words. It says and help strengthen the skin barrier, and I was like, and it strengthens your moisture barrier. I just make stuff up. I'm sorry. Pineapple and papaya help promote even skin tone. Wild butterfly ginger root protects against blue light stress. Ooh, okay, I'm excited for this. A blue light protection. Yes, please. I'm gonna put a little bit on my other hand and see what it looks like. Ooh. I'm gonna like show you with it not really blended in. Hopefully you guys can see. It's got like this little shine to it. Ooh, it made my skin look so like juicy looking. That shine. Definitely smells like sunscreen. That doesn't bother me though. Like some people don't like a strong sunscreen scent, but I'm so used to wearing sunscreen every single day that the smell does not bother me in the slightest. Actually, the smell gets a lot milder. So now it's just like a little bit of a sunscreen scent, kind of like feels beachy to me. It smells good. So I'm excited, and this one is cruelty free, and I'm so excited for this. I have been wanting something that has blue light protection in it. I was actually thinking of buying, Volition has a mist, and I really like their products too, but I'm super stoked to try this one out and see how it goes. All right, we got skincare, and now we're going into a couple makeup products. We got from Ciate the Marbled Metals Metallic Glitter Eyeshadow, and I got the shade Wicked. I think I've seen these in person before, but I don't remember the shades. Oh, this lid is like, this lid was not tight down. I don't know how bad that is. All right, so there's the shade Wicked. At first I was like, oh, it's purple, but there's like some green in it. So that's just a little swatch on the finger. And here is a better swatch on the hand. It's definitely pretty. I feel like this is gonna work kind of like ColourPop Super Shock shadows, but this may be even a little bit like smoother because you could definitely put this like all over the lid and then blend it out. I bet it would be really pretty blended out to see those little flecks kind of show through, because I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but I just rubbed the excess right here, and the little flecks of like this super light green kind of want to just jump out at you. It's really pretty. Okay, I'll definitely try this out. I hope it hasn't started drying out already because that lid was like super loose on it, but it also has like a little protective thing you just sit on top of it. And then we've got one more product. This is from House Laboratories. I'm so excited. If you don't know, it's Lady Gaga's brand, and I believe this is a gloss. It's called the Le Riot Lip Gloss, and I got the shade Ethereal. I'm pretty sure I chose this item. Like you could pick one, and I'm pretty sure this was it. Oh, I love the packaging. I really wanted to order so much of her stuff when it came out, but for whatever reason, I just didn't jump at it, and now I feel like I'm late to the party. Ooh. Oh, it's got a really interesting applicator. Hopefully you guys can see. It kind of looks like a little claw. So I know I said I was going to do a try on video, but I just want to try on the gloss. I'm sure I'll get other lip products too, so it probably won't be any harm. Ooh. Now this gloss is thicker, like thick to where it kind of like strings out when you pull out the wand, but it feels nice. It feels like a gloss that would actually stick around for a while. The weird thing is usually thicker glosses are also stickier, but honestly it's not like, I don't feel stickiness when I press my lips together and pull them apart. Like it doesn't feel sticky, it just feels like, I don't know, it feels like a layer on my lips, if that makes sense. So it's a little thicker of a consistency, but I think I'm gonna like it. So I'm super excited, and I may have to get some more because this is gorgeous. Look at the lips. Ooh, 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 ooh. And it just looks like my lips are like perfected, like plumped and shined, and just a little hint of color added, and ooh, I like it. Hey buddy. Hey buddy. I guess he's not in a talkative mood today. Buddy, hey, are you stressed? What are you stressing for? There's your daily dose of Mr. Minners. He is just not in a, he's not in a lovey-dovey talky mood, so you'll just have to excuse him. But I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing. I'm gonna put these products aside so that I can wait on my other Ipsys to get here, and then I'll do one big try on, and I'm super excited for it. I actually really like doing it that way, and one of you guys actually suggested that, so thank you so much for your suggestions. When I ask you guys questions, I truly am like taking it to heart. I do have some people that like the backdrops better, but a lot of people prefer this background, so I kind of just switched to doing this more than the backdrops. I'm still gonna do backdrops some because I like the vibe of like a matching matching feel if I'm trying out a palette or something. But, you know, I'm listening to you guys. I hear you. So thank you guys again so much for watching my unboxing. I will have Ipsy linked below in case you would like to check it out. Probably you know all about it, but I'll leave it in the description box just in case. And thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed my unboxing, and I will see you guys really soon in the next one. Bye guys!